Hey guys, so today I'm going to review counting money for your Google form today. So the way we count money in second grade is some of you do better just counting, thinking 25 plus 25 if you have two quarters, and that's fine. And you can continue doing that as long as you were getting them right before. Some of us, though, use Harry money. And honestly, I love it. I think it's an easy way to do it. Sometimes I do Harry money just because it's faster for me. Counting by fives comes easy to most of us. So, and that's really what you're doing. So when we have money, a half dollar is worth 50, a quarter is worth 25, a dime is worth 10, a nickel is worth 5, and a penny is worth 1 cent. So when we have a half dollar, that's worth 50 cents. So what I do is I count by fives, drawing a line for each time till I get to 50. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And that's how many hairs a half dollar gets. It gets 10. And I don't have to remember 10 hairs for a half dollar. I just have to draw my lines counting by fives, just knowing that a half dollar is worth 50. Same with a quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Just draw my lines till I get to 25, which I know is how much a quarter is worth. Dime, 5, 10. Nickel, 5. And then penny, this says a penny is bald. We in our class draw a little dot above the penny so that we remember it's still worth 1 cent. It's not worth nothing. Okay, so let's kind of use this to apply to counting money. So how much money is shown? And I put this up here. And guys, this is at the front of our room. So when you're taking your Google form, if you want to have this, and I put it on your lesson plan as well, if you want to have a little reminder, that's fine. It would be the same as if you looked at the poster in the room. So when we're counting money, we have 25 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, $3 bills. So how do I count this money? Okay, so my quarters is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then my dimes, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, dot, dot, dot for my ones. Okay? Then you just go through and count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. And here's the tricky part. Now you gotta switch over to ones. 71, 72, 73. So I have 73 cents. And in this case, I have 3 $1 bills. So that's $3. So this is $3.73. So go ahead and do number 2 on your own. Pause the video, go ahead, draw on your piece of paper. You can redraw your coins. Remember in class, I always say, don't worry about drawing them to make it look like it. Put a circle on how much it's worth in the inside. So for a 25, instead of trying to draw this to look exactly like a quarter, I would draw a circle and put 2, 5 in the inside and then draw your 5 hairs on top. So go ahead, pause it, count your money. Hopefully you paused it. Again, if you're not pausing it and working along with us, you're not growing your brain. So let's go ahead and look at our answer. Okay, so quarters should all have 5. Dime should have 2. Nickel should have 1. Penny should have dots. Let's count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. I do have 94 written there. I'm just kind of blocking it with my face. Sorry. And then $2 bill. So it's $2.94. Hopefully that's what you got. All right. Now, sometimes you're given story problems instead of coins and asked to count it up. So let's read our story problem. It says Liz bought stickers for 2 quarters, 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much money did Liz spend? So to do this, I'm just going to draw a picture for it. Again, look how my coins are. They're nothing special, especially because I was drawing with a computer mouse. But I just drew 2 quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, count by fives. My husband's outside and looked at me through the window like I was a crazy person, which I probably do, kind of just talking to myself. Okay, so my quarters is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then 1 dime, there's my dime, 5, 10. And then 2 nickels, there's a nickel, 5, 5. And then 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I just go through, count by 5s for my hairs, 1s for my dots. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Liz spent 74. And don't forget that cents, so I know she wasn't spending $74 on stickers. That would be a whole lot of money. Big difference between $74 and 74 cents. Okay, so I hope this helped. You've got some practice and then an assessment. Remember, do the assessment on your own so that I know what you know.